Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Ethernet keeps disconnecting problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Ethernet keeps disconnecting, then I will show you a simple method to resolve this issue. First of all, you just need to click on start menu, then type here troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot setting. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see internet connection. Just click on run. If you find any problem with this, just click on troubleshoot my connection to the internet and close this window. After that, just close this window, click on start menu again, type here device manager, click on device manager, in this you need to find your network adapter, double click on that and expand. Here you need to find your adapter. If you are using through wireless, just click on wireless driver. If you are using through Ethernet cable, you can select the Ethernet cable. Just right click on that, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for the drivers. After updating, just close this window. Still you are facing the issue after updating the driver, then again you need to open this device manager and right click on the network adapter, click on properties, just right click on your network adapter, click on properties, click on power management. You have to uncheck this option, allow the computer to turn off the device to save the power. Just uncheck this option, then click on OK, then close this window. After trying this, still you are facing the issue, then you just need to click on start menu, then click on settings, click on network and internet, click on advanced network setting. After that, below you can see network reset. Just click on this and click on reset now. It will reset your network drivers. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Ethernet keeps disconnecting on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.